lies a promise of a bright tomorrow. Like trees, grasses, and green fields, flourishing through giving farmers, plenteous harvest they are offering, stands TABU National High School. In a world that's full of changes, letting challenges face us together. Though it's hard to part, we don't break our hearts. It doesn't matter, as we are sure that TABU National High School embrace us when we're through. Now only footprints are left behind. As we look back, our memories do remind how we have set things straight, enduring under heat. With our mentors we do cooperate. It does taught us how to wait, with God whom we have faith. Whenever we may wonder, as we face the world together, overseas or here, we always remember the warmth and grace of Alma Mater dear. O TABU National High School, embrace us to be true. Today as we all here, it's to offer, pledging ourselves with her to be sincere, filling the air with voices loud and clear, for the school we held most dear. Now let's sing this song together, TNHS forever, filling the air with voices loud and clear, for the school we held most dear. Now let's sing this song together, TNHS forever, TNHS forever.